Stand right here. Look at the camera. Say hello, fans.
Hi, fans.
Look what we're gonna see today. Look what we're gonna see today. We're gonna see a zebra. Do you like zebras?
It's over there.
It's over there, right? At the petting zoo. What else are we gonna see? Maybe a cow?
Yeah, it's a cow over there.
There's a cow over there. And also we're gonna see what?
A sheep over there.
A sheep over there. So let's go have some fun. Let's see animals. You wanna see them?
Yeah. Look inside.
Look at the fire. You see the fire?
Wow.
Whoa. It's hot. You can put your hand like this.
Oh, it's awesome. Hey, it's fire to phone truck.
Oh, it's fire for the fire truck? Yeah, this is a controlled fire. Controlled fire. That means it's not out of control. Is that a zebra?
Yeah.
There's a zebra.
What's that goat?
There's a little black goat. That's why they're all over here in the corner. See how they stay warm?
What's he doing?
They're snuggling. Yeah, that's what they're doing. They're snuggling. They're snuggling the one on top. He's trying to keep everybody warm. That's why he's up on top. It's like, hey guys, I'm gonna keep you warm. Oh, you guys shy. Fighting? Oh, cute! Or wrestling. I see him wrestling. Hi. Hi, what's your name? He wants to say hi, pet him. Hi. How are you? Look at the little goat with the little horns. Luke, come over here. You want to pet the goat? Sit right here. Look right there. Turn this way, turn this way. Pet your goat. Look at the goat. Oh, look at his horns. See his little horns? That's sweet. He goes like this. He bucks you. Hey guys, we're at a petting zoo today. Look, he's interested in my camera. He's interested in my camera. What is that camera? What is that?
Look at
Yeah. Wow. Look at this guy over here. Is it a reindeer? Did you ask if it was a reindeer? It's our friend again. It's our friend. He's hanging out with us. Hi. Can I pet you right here? That's nice. Yeah. Wow, they're coming this way. And the goats are interested in my camera. Oh, hi, little guy. Hi, little guy. Hi. Look at his horns. Wow. Wow. That's our buddy again. He keeps following us around. He likes us. Oh, that's nice. Oh, you like it right there? Under the chin. Is that a donkey? Well, he likes you. Just pet him right here on his neck. There, nice and soft. And you know what else they like to be pet right here between the eyes. Okay. There you go. There he goes. There you go. You pet one. Careful. You pet a chicken?
They shouldn't be walking outside.
Look, I'm still there.
Oh, you want to go in there?
Yeah.
You got a bunny? Luke loves bunnies. When he was like, well, he was 2, he held a gray bunny just like this one at another petting zoo, kids fair. So I picked out a gray one for him this time too. You can pet him nicely. Pet his ears. Remember his ears? There you go. Oh, hi. He's cute. He's cute. We're gonna make him. Oh, it's okay. He's cute. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's sweet. It's sweet. You pet his ears. Pet his ears. He's long. You feel how soft he is? Oh. What happened? Taking care of the animals? Are you taking care of the bunnies? Look at him, how soft he is. He likes us. He really likes us. You want to hold him? You want to hold him? Put your arms like this. Okay, hold the other hand on top. Oh, he might crawl on top of you. He's cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. Wow.
I mean, I'm telling you right now.
Whoa, hi buddy. Luke, you want to come over and see the zebra now? Stand right there. Hold the zebra. Hold it up so I can see your zebra.
Even if it did work.
What is that?
Now,
it's a zebra, like the zebra behind you, huh?
Battery will last forever, and I can make it go as fast as I want.
Oh, look at Luke. They're drinking the bottle. Look. Look at them. They're drinking the bottle. Look. What is that, Sprite you're giving them? 7 Up? They love you. Show it to me. That's okay. That's okay. They like you. I like you. Show me your zebra. Whoa, excuse me. Show me your zebra. Yeah. Got a zebra right on. He's right behind you. He moved. Yeah, he moved on us, didn't he? Did he move? Went to go be by his mama. Yeah, he did. This one's cute. Who's this little lamb right here? Look. Oh, he is so precious. Look at this little lamb. Look at this little lamb. I know, he's a big one. Look at the little lamb. He's so cute.
Look at that chicken.
There's that chicken. He wants that cup. Look, he's trying to get the cup. He's trying to get the cup. Animals everywhere. Let's get my picture with the zebra now. Let's see. See if he comes over here. He usually gets interested in if we come close by. Hi! Whoa! Wow! Oh, hi! Hi! He gets interested in you if you come by close to his corral. Hi! So beautiful! She's so beautiful! So beautiful! Look at the puppy! Look at the puppy! Look at the puppy! Look right here, smile. Oh, is that your baby? Is that your baby bunny? Wow, he's eating out of your hand? Oh, he likes you. Oh. What is he doing? He's drinking milk? He wants milk? Hi, what is that? What is that? Is that donkey?
No, that is a cat.
It's a camel? What is it? What is it?
That one. That one.
Ah.